Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor. Coming in this carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Equipment Group 401A, and has the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, a tow hook, and a dual exhaust, as well as that nice backup camera right there. We also have mud flaps above the rear and front wheel wells, as well as a gripped running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is very slim. We also have side view cameras on each side, plus this LED strip. We also have two yellow tow hooks on the front, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look inside, we can see here this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice black leathering and gray cloth seatings with yellow stitching. We also have two cup holders back there, a 12-volt outlet, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120-volt outlet right there. We also have plenty of door space, as well as a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see that we do have powered seats, as well as the same black and gray cloth interior we have on the back, with the nice yellow Tremor logo right there. We have plenty of door space as well, your parking brakes there, pedal adjusters, two blind spot detections, and your tailgate opener right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 53.1 kilometers. And looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice black leather wrapped steering wheel with nice yellow accents. We have a toggle for our main menu up there, phone and media controls, volume and voice, and your cruise controls right there. Looking at your menu here, you do have My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. And to my right, we also have a nice leather wrapped gear shift, which can be collapsible like that, providing with a lot of extra room, a nice little cubby for your phone, two cup holders, a fair bit of storage down there, a USB and a USB-C. You do have your rear axle lock, drive modes, four-wheel drive capabilities, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, and looking at your drive modes, you do have normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and rut, and rock crawl. And all the way to the right here, we do have tow and haul, eco, and sport. And looking over here, we do have two heated front seats, dual climate, 12-volt outlet, 120-volt outlet, media controls right there. We do have a nice little button for extra storage right there, plus storage down there. We have our auto stop and auto start, our 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, trail call right there, as well as your traction control. Now looking at our main menu, we do have our music, phone, navigation, whatever your favorite app is, such as messaging, email. We do have a Wi-Fi hotspot, apps that you may have downloaded, such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings such as Sirius XM, sound, display, and so on and so forth. Features such as driving assist, zone lighting, towing, trailer turn assist, and owner's manual. And looking above my head here, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And we do have our 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. The stock number for this vehicle is FC97627, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.